Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your predictions for the month of May 2021 and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in this month. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So let's get started with your reading. I'm going to take one card, guidance card for you from my deck, Monology deck. Let's see. So I have a card. Communication is key. New moon in Gemini. So I think the communication, you need to communicate. See, some situations, they don't just get handled by themselves. You have to enter in some situations. You have to talk it out. You have to talk to people. You have to talk to the person with whom the situation is wrong, with whom the situation is not positive, it's negative, it can be anything. Okay, so it's always the communication which helps. If you are not able to communicate, let the third person communicate. Okay, but communication is the key. All right, so let me just check one more card for you. One more guidance energy for my Libras. Meditation to dig deep. All right, so this card is telling us that okay, so I got the situation. It feels to me that you are in need of some answer. Okay, first, communication, either talk it out or either find answers. Talk it out and find the answers by themselves. Find the answer from the person. Talk to that person. What exactly is the situation? Try to analyze the situation. It's dig deep. Meditation to dig deep. Not doing meditation. It means that you have to go on and find the answer. What the other person is thinking. Why this and this situation is happening. You have to find answers. No one else will come and find answers for you. Okay, that is the situation for you, Libras. Let me just take out some tarot for my Libras for the month of May. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Past, present and future energies for my Libras. Just a second. Okay. Alright. Past, present and future energies for my Libras, please. Past energies. Okay. Present energies. Future energies. Wow. So overall energy is 4 of Pentacles over here. You might be holding on to something, some past, something, which is actually stagnant. Stagnancy is there in your situation, like no communication, we can say. Yeah, so communication is the key. No movement towards something, stagnation, and you need movement. You are in need of that movement. Your past energies are King of Swords, King of Wands and Page of Swords. Well, this might be energy. It can be you and someone else with whom you are dealing with. Two people over here. You might be in a situation where you need to talk to people. You need to communicate with people. You might be in some situation where you are dealing with a person who is actually in some confusion, or you can be in some confusion between two people as well. Which one to choose. I like both of them. Which one to choose? And you are confused in that situation. So this is your past energies. It was something related to two people. It can be a confusion between two people, which one to choose, which one not to choose, and something like that. Yeah. And what else? There can be some decision making in the past as well, where decision making in terms of something like law related. Okay, something something related to law or something, I feel. Okay, we'll clarify. In the present, 4 of Wands, 5 of Swords and Queen of Wands. Yeah, destructive marriage. It can be you're going through a process of destructive marriage, where people around you are not very positive. Okay, the things are not stable, and you want to go further, you want to move forward, but you are not able to do because you are stuck in something, maybe a broken, destructive marriage, destructive relationship, something related to some kind of bad issues going on in your present life. So your environment is negative actually. You want to move forward, but you cannot, you are still holding because you have no choice. That is the reason which is coming up in the coming future. Three of cups, the devil, and two of cups. A very different kind of combination is there. I feel that you are going towards something. It feels to me that this is a sorting of a situation, because three of cups and two of cups. So the situation in which you are present, something, it is going to sort. The sorting is going to happen, and some kind of karmic imbalances are also going to cut off with this ending. Okay, if you are waiting for some kind of ending, it is going to happen, and it is going to be like a good, just a goodbye, and you won't be able to hold on to it for longer term. So I feel that a past karmic relationship, karmic balances are coming towards an end, and you are celebrating. For those who needs an ending like that, it will end, and for those who need a start, for that it can start as well. But I see three people. I don't know why. This might be confusion between three people. You are dealing with three people, like your person, or your person's new person, or your person. You might be confused between two people, or your person might be confused between two people. So some kind of communication. Three people. Third party is involved. Devil has three people. Three of cups have three people. Two of cups. After that, two of cups only. Three of cups comes. So that means a soulmate connection, but still got confused. Something. So we are going to clarify this thing. What is this? I also feel, one more thing which I think is, you were in relation with this person, okay, but now what you want is, you got someone else. You have a soulmate in front of you, and you just want to be with that person now. Or it can also mean that you are in a karmic relationship with someone, but you feel that this is your soulmate. So a karmic bond as well as a soulmate bond, a very different relationship, to be very honest, Libra. Okay, let's clarify now. Four of Pentacles. Why is the Four of Pentacles here? Knight of Swords. Why is Knight of Swords here? Yeah, you are waiting for some ending, definitely. You are holding on because you want to move forward. You want that situations might end. You are thinking very practically, Libra. This is very good. You are in a very practical situation. You want to end, at least you know that the ending has to happen. But what kind of ending? You don't know. You want it really bad, but it's not going to happen just like that. If you will just sit over there, it will not happen. You have to communicate, okay? You have to find answers. Why is it not happening at this time? Okay, so this is what you have to do. This is the guidance from the universe. Communication is key. Okay, King of Swords, King of Wands, and Page of Swords. Why are these energies? Judgment, Ace of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. Wow, so many suits are there in your reading today. So in the past, whatever decision you made for a new beginning, that is something you are going through, and you want some decision making to happen. You made that decision, it was fine for some time, but what happened? Why is that an issue over here? Okay, this might be a marriage. Yeah, you were not clear. There was some foggy situations around you. You were not clear about the situation. You wanted this thing to happen because this is your decision, obviously. You wanted it to happen. This might be a marriage, this might be a beautiful relationship which you had with someone. You wanted it to happen, but it couldn't last long, I feel. You know? Why is the destruction coming up? Four of Wands, Five of Swords, and Queen of Wands. The Star, Nine of Wands, Swords, and Two of Pentacles. Okay, there might be two people definitely involved in the situation, so that is why you might be confused between two people, or your person might be confused. So that is why you have nothing left. You have just hope left in front of you. You want to find answers, but you are not able to find answers. Like, what is the situation? Where am I? What do I want? I am so confused. I do not have answers. You need those answers, and that is why the meditation is the key, is to dig deep, is coming. Only through communication, only through talking, you will get those answers. Okay, Three of Cups, the Devil, and Two of Cups. I really want the answers for these cards. Okay. So we have got the Tower. It looks to me that there's an ending towards a karmic relationship from the past. There's an ending for that situation. And if you are confused, you are not going to get very confused till a long time. I feel that Two of Cups, with the Two of Cups, I see that there is new beginning which is coming towards you. Celebration is coming towards you. Bad past is ending, whatever this past was. If this past was related with your communication, let's see, you were not able to communicate with a person very effectively. So after communicating with that person, you might start again, because the Tower is here. So this might be foundation to the same situation again. Okay, a situation which you ended, and now you want to start it with the same person, but just ending the past problems and then starting with the same person in a new way. Okay, so that is why I'm getting this Two of Cups in your energy. So that is all from my side, Libras. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.